now in Korea. Incheon, Korea. Robot. Train time. Ito na naman yung mga incline na hindi ko na-miss. Room tour! 1, 2, 3 beds, TV, kitchen, WC, water closet, shower, and my outside view.
Been walking for like 30 minutes.
Oh, garlic cream cheese bun. Red bean bingsu. Is that mochi? Oh, mochi ito. Meron siyang mochi discs or bits. Ito, ano tong powder na to? Dark maize. Merong parang pulburon. Parang ano nga, parang mapinong cornmeal.
Tissue, tissue.
Chocolate Madeleine. White chocolate croissant. And then, tiramisu, affogato, coffee with ice cream. And then, lady fingers. Oh. Yeah, ganyan.
Takman-tanay mo yan, Ken.
Oh, man.
Ano ba't nandun mama niya? Yung tatak mo niya, tatak mo? Yung may gagi sa karang tinapigin mo.
Two of my favorite things, coffee and ice
Tag
cream.
yung mama.
Perfect. Gagawin ko to sa bahay. Chocolate croissant. No, it's got croissant. Tastes got Java chip frappuccino. Tastes like a regular Java chip frappuccino. Bog standard.
This is so yummy.
Some rando pizza.
Parang dinaanan ng ano ah.
Mango smoothie. Regular mango smoothie.
Dinatan niya yung mahalang ko, may dinatan yung tira.
Ito yung classic Brent Thermos plain bread. Interesting. None of these things are soft. Meron silang firmness and crispiness outside. Strawberry matcha latte. Yeah, pero ang issue is it's too much strawberry and not enough matcha to compensate. So ang nangyayari, nagmumukha lang siyang strawberry latte na kulay green. Come on! That was a lot of sweets. Oh my gosh. Dito, pinto mo sa baba.
Oo nga. Open sa again.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do ano. Dun dun dun. Elevator music. Dun dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun pa 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 pa.
Hiking po. Hey yo. Ang haba na ng
Kuya, mawawala yung
nakit
mantika
natin.
natin dito.
Oo. Lahat ng calories na na-gain kanina dun sa dessert pagangap. Lola is about to board the cable car.
She's shivering. Oh, diba?
Grabe ang presko dito sa taas. You know, kung hindi ka pinag-cable car, yun ang dinaanan namin dapat. Wala, dati low bat na ako dito, pre. Yes, tubig. Nabuha sa laluklukan mo.
has no idea that I'm recording this actually.
360 panara.
Okay. So, ngayon bibili kami ng do you have a pink version that also costs 11,000?
No, we only have this.
You only have yellow and green.
No, pink one is sold out.
Pink one is sold out. The 11,000 pink one is sold out. Okay.
It's 13,000.
13,000.
Okay, thank you. And there is no key inside. If you want to lock, it's over.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Merong pen, merong lock. Sabi, you only get one shot at this. Kapag nilock mo na, it's over, sabi niya.
Panghabang buhay na.
Mahabang buhay na.
Naman.
Pag inalis mo to, tapos... Ano ba to? Nilock ko lang. Okay.
What's up, broskies? Hello, I'm Kelman's brother, or also Ken's brother. Hi, this is a bonus clip. Bye.
My feet hurt. It's street foods time, baby! You know, last time na nandito kami, sobrang sarap ng pagkain, nagulat ako. Hindi ako nakapag-shoot. I'll correct that mistake today. Mochi, fresh fruit. Nangulo ng fish cake, hot taiyaki. Red bean taiyaki.
What's on taiyaki?
So like a croissant, meron siya layers, crispy layers.
Oh, it's hot. It's very hot. I take the first bite.
Wala pa ice cream yan, kapatid. Marshmallow pa lang yan. Take a bigger bite. Come on.
Tabol na suba.
I'm probably getting one of those later. This is a quest to find those barbecue guys. Let us hear.
Doon mo naman itong kabila.
Is this it or not?
Can I try?
Happy New Year.
Wala pa.
Barbecue.
Thank you.
Soft. Good. Pero wala na yung...
How much? 5,000.
Man, you're rich. Yaman niya.
So thick, bro.
Super thick ya. Punta na mo. Black sesame ice cream. Oh.
Naipas mo ako ah.
Sesame ya. Sesame, not sesame. One small corn dog. No ketchup for mine, please. Thank you. Thank you. Yay! Hindi ko ito na-try last time, so... Meron din silang kamote cube. Hindi pa rin ako naka-recover doon sa take mo kung ano. Kunti lang yung kinain ko nung spicy na barbecue. Ngayon nararamdaman ko. Kaya pala kailangan niya ng ice cream agad.
Naipas mo ako ah.
Siska, what is this?
Kiwi.
Oh, kiwi smoothie. Awaman yaman yun.
What's up?
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is currently a slightly cloudy 8 a.m. in Myeongdong, South Korea. Sarap aloe vera.
This is great.
This is crazy. Ginagawa ko dito? Can't even read Korean. Ayan yung Gangnam Style statue. Oh, kumusta po tayo sa side dishes? Ayawan eh. Stew. Ito pala yung drinks. Got some tteokbokki. Got some of that fish cake action. I don't know what this is called. Pwede. Now the meat. Lambot. Top. That marinade is awesome. Samahan natin ng mushroom. Okay. Oh, syempre, busog. Ang dami, anli. Lambot, sarap. Pero mukhang magta-taxi yata kami ngayon instead of taking the train.
이거 마장 호수.
마장 호수.
Oh, it's voice activated. Or kinakausap lang niya. Voice activated ba? Kinakausap lang niya. Yan na ba yung Red Bridge? Wow! Yun ang masyadong nakakatakot. Merong steel cables. So, should be fine. Taro, Kung Fu Panda fight scene, no?
Masayo ka.
Tanyena, masagap ka kako. Sa ligoso, oh.
Sa ligoso.
Fish. Oh man, my peach! I've never had fresh peaches before. Huh. Someone told me na mas masarap sila kapag hindi masyadong hinog. I wonder kung saang stage na to nung kanilang ripeness. It does look like an ass. Masarap. Parang masim-masim pa siya. I don't know if it's supposed to taste like that. Pero sweet na. Mmm.
Even 30 minutes hindi na bibigay yung order mo.
Kung iwan ko sa'yo, di mo naman sinabi sa akin.
Massive ass fries. Mmm. Onion man. Got some caramel macchiato at Paris Baguette and it's really, really good. Mas ano niya siya, mas dense siguro ng flavor. Para siyang tapa in soup form. I picked the right one. Miraculously. Convenience store coffee time! Cream cheese bun? What is this? Dorayaki? Oh. Show the camera.
Ngayon sinabi.
Oh, what is that? The whole time in this vlog, I've been eating at a low angle yung camera. And I apologize because wala akong nabiling mono pa. Cheese hot pocket or burrito. It's not really a burrito. It's the kids. Ooh.
The doors are on your left. You can transfer to line number 2.
Cute. Meron siyang pictures of celebrities. Second time nakakain ako dito, nandun na ako. Alam mo yung nakikita mo yung amount of light, no sunlight, tapos iniisip na utak mo dapat mainit, pero hindi ganoon kainit. Something like that.
Welcome to my palace.
Yo. Some really interesting architecture. Hindi yung railings.
Ganun kasi yung gusto ko.